Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how you can use demo content, import it, and work with it in the OpenY distribution. So first of all us know that by default OpenY distro shipped with the demo content on board. So we may see this on the Sandbox website. We have homepage, blog posts, different landing pages, branches, camps, locations, membership types, and stuff like this. All these content that we may see whenever we install the distribution, this is part of the demo content feature. Whenever you install the distribution, there is a step in the installation process called import demo content, when you can select which content you would like to install and which not. So based on these checkboxes and these options, your website will use or will not use demo content during installation. In this video I'm going to show you how you can install demo content additionally in case if you haven't checked some or all of these options during installation, or you would like to remove demo content that has been installed during installation. First of all, we have to install command line tool called Drush. Drush, that's the tool that is used almost for all Drupal websites. And in order to get the installation instructions, you can open docs.drush.org and then navigate to the installation section there and proceed with these steps. Also, as a part of OpenY distribution, we are using a module called Migrate Tool. You can find it on drupal.org/projects/migrate_tools, and here are some documentation. Here is some documentation that you can use in order to work with demo content. Especially, the most important part of this is the Drush commands like migrate status, migrate import, migrate rollback, and other ones. So let's imagine that we have installed the website and we have demo content on board, and we would like to remove some of demo content from the website. So in case if we want to remove any of the demo content that has been installed, first of all we should go to structure and migrations section. On this page we will see all migration groups that we have as a part of distribution. As example, we have blocks for amenities feature, or we have some blocks for footer menu, or we have some categories or classes or alert. So on this page we have groups of migrations. So in order to remove some content, let's for this specific example remove the categories and programs. So let's navigate to content and make sure that we have programs and subcategories on our website. Yeah, we have a few programs and we have a few subcategories. So in order to roll back them, we should go into the command line. I am in the directory of my OpenY distribution, and we should enter following command: drush. Then we should use migrate rollback. So we enter migrate rollback, and then we specify group like this. So we take a look at our page, we know that the group for programs called OpenY_demo_ and program. So we specify this group and execute the command. So I did a mistake, so there should be one more L for the command. And we see in the status logs that rolled back 6 items, rolled back 3 items, rolled back 6 items. So let's take a look at our content. So right now we should not have any programs on the website. In the same way we can remove the categories from the websites. the same command, but we have to specify group. And we just removed all categories from the website. But let's say at some point we decided, oh, I would like to have subcategories and programs back on my website. And there is a command for this. It's called migrate import. So instead of migrate rollback, we just execute command migrate import. And let's import programs. Program. In the log output, we see that we processed 6 items, 3 items, and 6 items. If we go back to the website and filter by program, all programs will be added back to our website. And let's do the same with categories. So I just remove group from here. I go to admin structure, migrate, and copy group from here. And our programs should be back to our website. So these two options, rollback and import, are two basic and most frequent features that you will use. But there are more features. As example, if you click on some group, as example, we have OpenY demo branch. If we click on this group, we will see a list of actual migrations that we perform in order to generate branches. We generate images, then we generate files, paragraphs, blog posts, and stuff like this. Instead of rolling back whole group or importing whole group, you can just import or roll back some components. Also, if you're working on some features for the OpenY distribution, you may need to create new content. Let's say you're creating new content type, or you are editing already existing content type and adding new fields. So in these cases, new demo content should be created or existing demo content should be changed a little bit. So in order to do this, there is a Drupal module where we have all demo content. So in order to find it, go to the repository or locally open the code of the OpenY distro, go to modules, OpenY features, then OpenY demo content / modules. And here we have all these groups that we see in the user interface. So they are listed here. Let's take a look at the branch example. So all demo data is stored in the module itself, then config/install, and we have all YAML files with migrations right here. So in order to create new migration, you can just copy and adjust existing modules. In case if you would like to adjust already existing migrations, just open the file and add new fields or change the text for text and content for the demo content. Also important to mention that whenever you create new migrations, you may need to add this migration to the installation process form. So this form, the settings for this form are stored in the OpenY.profile. So open this file and then find a function there that's called OpenY_demo_content_configs_map. In this settings, we have list of optional migrations, also required migrations. So just explore this function and explore this mapping in order to add new migration and new demo content to the installation process. This is pretty much it. Thank you very much.